This is Jaden. He's making some pancakes this morning. That's enough, Jaden. Okay. Okay. Here's the egg. But you can't just put it in there. You have to crack it. Crack it a little bit. Nope. Tap it like that. I'm going to crack it for you, okay?
I want to do it. I know I want to do it.
No. Wait.
Let me do it. Oh, okay.
And pull it. Put your finger there at the same time. There you go. And let the egg go. There you go. Good job. Don't put your finger in there.
Ew.
Hey, don't eat that.
I'm not.
Now you gotta pour milk in.
Can I pour it?
I'm gonna help you.
Okay, so I don't make a mess. Okay, cool.
That's enough?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now you gotta mix it.
This is Jaden making pancakes. He just put the powdered eggs in milk. Now he's gonna mix it.
Now with the fork.
Oh, with the fork?
Okay.
Like this?
There you go. It's nice and slow. Nice and slow. Okay, good job.